Whenever I write things on the website or whenever I chat to people, I often use the phrase Bowdens are different and we are different. And one of the reasons we're different is we have a massive printed catalogue, which we still print, and it is glorious. It's just the sort of thing to keep in the loo or by the side of the bed. Enjoyment and great fun reading. My wife puts all the plant bits together and I do the rather silly stuff in the middle. But we offer this free. This is a guide to hostas, to ferns, to agapanthus, tells you where we are, tells you how to find us, and it's a whiz. Very few nurseries still doing a printed catalogue. We feel it's worth it, and it's really important to keep in touch with people. If you want to ring us up, we've got people that will wait for it, steady, brace yourself, they'll answer the phone. We love having conversations with people. Personal catalogues, personal telephone calls, personal service. That's what we are all about at Bowdens. Different, yeah, may not be to everybody's tastes, but I think it's the way to go.